Watch that video.
All about. They don't have no house down there.
Majority of things them down here, so they flat, cave-in, flat. Every roof gone, every roof. As long as you see line down this,
It's
roof
getting
gone.
worse now we down there.
But we have life. We don't record no death round here so far, so we're good.
Which is important. If you have life, you have
Yeah, life is good. Life is
You
good.
can replace the buildings, you can
But
replace
hey,
Alright,
if this
you take a
time
look
not
at
teach
it.
me
What is
nothing.
it? What is it? What's blocking?
you see, the other day, I was saying to myself that people praise material things so much. And today is a day when everybody asks me, alright, me have life. Everybody appreciate life. At this moment, no big house no mean nothing, no big car no mean nothing, no land no mean nothing. Life is everything right now. Everybody, alright, boy, me lose my house, but me have life. We have life. My house, me lose my shop, me lose everything, but me have life. And at that we say, togetherness and life, nothing with vanity. Anybody want brag and boast now, what them all brag about? Homelessness. Rich and poor, we homeless.
All
All
we
are we homeless.
Rich and poor, but on the center
Yeah.
down here.
All my life, me never
outside.
know a movie alone, me ever see them sitting here and I never see. Who signed up that script here? No, who put in a script we don't know about in a real life?
Right now, I tell you the truth, I'm traumatized. Much more the children. Can you imagine? I've never seen anything like this in my life. And in the community that I live, all the buildings are flat. It's devastating. We have run out of food now and we honestly don't have none.
The supplies that we need, we can't get them. Tin food are limited and stuff like that. So that's why we come to the shelter to see if we can grab some stuff.
We've basically had about 90% of the people that live in Savlamar that have lost their homes. The remaining 10%, the top is gone. So Jem is here and we're happy to have you and we welcome you back. And the people are very happy. We just want to say thank you.
I'm feeling good, great things, because they try to help in Jamaica, especially Savlamar and Westmoreland. So I like that.
We have a lot of persons right now homeless, roofless. We need some canvas, we need extra water, especially solar fans for the baby and solar lights. We would really appreciate it, and food right through.
And I tell the people all the time, it's only when you come and see what is happening you understand how serious and critical the situation is. It's a life-saving mission you're doing right now, and we really are happy to see the impact you're having on the lives of so many people right here in Westmoreland and in Jamaica and abroad.
In darkness, there's a lot of trauma. People are scared. Having to live through a Cat 5 is not very easy. So we are hoping that today this distribution is going to bring hope to many of the families. It's going to bring them some light in their lives and a lot of hope.
Any light in the house right now?
No light. My house is almost gone. Nowhere to sleep.
No light right now. So we can use this and charge our phones and our baby phones.
We're here as, long-term community builders, community partners. What we do is what we've always done. It's the ethos of everything that Bob Marley Group, Bob Marley Foundation is about. From the very top, Sedella, all of our brothers and sisters, they're very active in all of this.
There's thousands of people. This is a big undertaking. We've been running 18 to 20-hour days minimum. This is what it takes just to do one convoy per day. We also have other teams simultaneously working throughout remote areas of the island. This is a massive group collective effort. NCB Foundation, Royal Caribbean Group, Bob Marley Foundation, American Friends of Jamaica, Good 360, and our long-time partnership with IOM. All of these are the people who make this possible. Thank you.